Good Friday morning and welcome to the shop. I took the day off. It was shut down this week anyway, so I decided to stay home today and work here in the shop. Tomorrow is the first day of bow season and I plan on being in the tree, so I'm going to get some work done today at home. So the first thing is I'm going to try and knock this dent out of here, and I'm going to use flat stock, a punch, and a hammer. But I'll turn it sideways so you can see it. It's dented pretty bad right there and a little dent right there. So we're going to try and hammer this back out and get it flat. So like I said, I'm going to use a piece of flat stock. So it, instead of taking and hammering in one spot, it will actually spread the force out over the distance of this. So anyway, let's give it a try. Knocking a lot of the rust away, which is good. And you can see right here, there's a little thing right there, a thing there, but anyway, it's coming out. So we'll continue on. Now, we're getting closer. Still got this little roll right here, and it's got a little indentation right here. I'll turn it so you can see right here. That's because as I'm applying pressure to here, this is got it at an angle, so it's not coming out flat. So what we're going to have to do is put this up on two pieces of metal, or actually have this piece across a piece of metal under that, so that the pan will sit this way, so it will flatten it out. And let's see, this is probably a little bit thicker than what I need, but it's coming, but like I said, all right, that piece is, that dent is there on this side. Right here is one. Let's see. I think that will come out pretty good. Yeah, it's better. So need something that's a little bit wider. Anyway, we're gonna try and get this roll back out some more, and then we're gonna get the parts right here, because like I said, with the way it was hit and the oil drain plug is there, it's not going to sit flat. So almost there. There we go, we're getting there. You can see it's still a little right at an angle, so we're going to have to do right around here a little bit. Still got a little bit more to do there, and then we're going to finish this out. And then I got to clean all the rest and stuff up off my table. All right, let me see. All right, another piece. I'm trying to make it to where it doesn't wobble. All right, well, let's see. I think what we're gonna do is get this thing sandblasted so I can see a little bit better. But it is a lot better here. This is now straight. It does come down a little bit lower. I don't know if I'm gonna try and hammer this out. Because right now the way it sits, this is higher than here, and all my oil will drain down to the drain anyway. Well, all the oil will flow to the drain. So, but anyway, I got a dent right there. We'll get it all done. So, anyway, well, I'm gonna pause and get this thing finished up. Well, get it welded up and all that good stuff and sandblasted, and then we'll come back and show you where we're at. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.